Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to unsuspend Twitter account. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to Twitter and log into your account. Once logged in, you might be prompted to verify your identity using your email address or your phone number. So just complete the verification process and you will regain your account. If these steps are ineffective, then just go to Chrome and search for Twitter Help Center and then click on the first link that says Contact Us. Now over here you have to select a topic, and as you can see the first one says locked and suspended account issues. Click on it. Now if you were logged in on this device using the account that got suspended, here you will see a drop down and just click on I believe my account is hacked or compromised, and then it will ask you a few questions like your username and also your email address, and enter the date the last time you were able to access your account, and then select whether you use your email address or your phone number to make the account, and then click on submit. And then after submitting your appeal, in some time you will receive the response from the Twitter customer support and you will have access to your account. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.